How to find which HVAC unit is best for your home. It is imperative to choose an HVAC system that can maintain comfortable indoor conditions while keeping the cost of energy bills under control. While going for a new air conditioning system, it is important to choose an HVAC company that deals with brands from credible and trustworthy manufacturers whose products are proven to be long-lasting. Always have a professional from an HVAC company come to assess and advise you on the dimensions and HVAC sizing that would suit your home best. HVACs are mechanical units that require regular preventive maintenance. That's why you should talk with your local HVAC technician to get a model that's within your maintenance budget. While choosing a new HVAC unit can be a daunting process, at Thermacon Service Company Incorporated, we are a premium HVAC company that can help find the perfect HVAC unit for your individual needs. Call us today at 866-797-1535.